plus 4 sin x and e to the power x comes outside. C. D replace with d plus a. A is 1, so d plus 1 whole square. Now we have to open it. D square plus 2d plus 1. So d square plus 2d plus 1 plus 4, 5. So d square plus 2d plus 5. Now this becomes e to the power x, d square plus 2d plus 5 sin x. So sin x means a is equal to 1 here. D square replace with minus of 1. Very good. D square replace with minus of a square. So minus of 1 here. So this becomes minus 1 plus 5. So this becomes 4. So 2d plus 4. 2 comes outside. D plus 2. So d plus 2 is there. Again we have to convert this into d square. So we have to multiply d minus 2 denominator, d minus 2 numerator. So denominator will be d square minus 4. Then again d square equal to minus 1. In numerator d means d by dx and then differentiate it. We can solve in my next lectures where we discuss the problems. Just I show how to replace if function is e and multiply with v, then e comes out and d replace with d plus a. This is the case 4. Last is the general form, general solution for the particular integral. If any case is the fail, where we replace d with a or d with minus of a square or anything, this fd becomes 0. If fd becomes 0 means our pi is 0. So that is not, that case is case of failure. So for that case of failure or any other function, we have one general solution for particular integral, that is case 5. If our function is 1 upon fd into x, then first we have to break d in all factors. Our factors is 1 upon d minus m1, d minus m2 and so on. If we have two variable equation, two order, then two variable are there into x. So for first we solve for this. 1 upon d minus m1 x is equal to e to the power m1 x e to the power minus of m1 x dx plus c. You should remember this. So solve this solution, put here, again same formula, going for this and apply this. Now when we, for example, if we have 1 upon d minus 2 e to the power 2x. See, when we put d equal to a, d equal to 2, our answer is equal to 2 minus 2, 0. So we use this e to the power m1x. M is 2. So e to the power 2x, integration of e to the power 2x, x is this. Next m is, yes, m1 is 2. Next e to the power minus 2x dx. So 2x dx 0, just answer gives integration of dx x e to the power 2x plus c. So our pi is x e to the power 2x plus c. That's all for this linear differential equation of higher order. Now with constant coefficient, in next video we have to discuss some problems on these topics. That's all for this lecture. Okay, thank you.